Discussion on Operation Sindoor in Lok Sabha will begin from next Monday. Discussion on Operation Sindoor in Rajya Sabha will happen on Tuesday, while it will happen in the Lok Sabha on Monday. 16 hours each of discussion has been provided in both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Remember, the opposition has been demanding a short duration discussion on different issues. The opposition had demanded discussion on Operation Sindoor. They wanted it to begin from tomorrow, but the government had not agreed as the Prime Minister was out of the country. The opposition has demanded that the meeting of the Business Advisory Committee should also be called every week. But the information that is coming in is that the Parliament will discuss Operation Sindoor in detail in the Lok Sabha on Monday and in the Rajya Sabha on Tuesday. So a marathon Operation Sindoor debate coming up in the next week. Remember, the opposition has been demanding this for the last few days. They've also been questioning the government on why no response has come on this issue. But now we are getting information that 16-hour debate on the Operation Sindoor will happen next week. Aishwarya Paliwal joins me live on this story. Aishwarya, a marathon debate in both houses. This is something that the opposition has been asking for the last few days. We've seen the opposition even protesting about it. What more do we know about this debate?
Well, Anisha, let me tell you, all the speakers from the opposition side as well as from the government side, they will all be very, very fiery and feisty. That's something that we are understanding at the moment. We also understand that, 16 hours each, that's the time that has been given in both the houses. The government, in fact, believes that you can ask as many questions as you want. We will give you clarification. We will give you all the answers. The government also understands that, if these kind of questions are being asked by the opposition time and again, then what will happen? These are the codes that Pakistani media and media from across the world will actually be using. So that's something that the government does not want to happen. They want clarification to come out. And they're also believing once and for all, they will be able to give proof, and they will be able to tell not just India, not just those who are asking questions, but they will be able to give proof to the entire world with regards to what has happened in Operation Sindoor, the bases that we have attacked, and the million-dollar question, Anisha, time and again, which has been asked. In fact, the US, even in the UN, has said that it's because of Donald Trump and the US administration that we saw the ceasefire between India and Pakistan. Clarification will be coming on that also.